A big devastation. Timely, we are able to manage because of preparedness. We have prepared all administration very well. And also for the last 5 days, I am monitoring personally. We alerted last mile administration and also politicians to bring awareness among public. We conducted camps also. Even 180,000 people were kept in the camps. We have arranged everything. Because of all our efforts, we are able to reduce the deaths. One is cyclone, and also over a period of time, farmers are not in a position to maintain this drainage. Drainage is the biggest issue in this area. Now I am thinking some people are vested interest. They stop drainage, which is going to sea also. These are all the problems we are facing. I noticed all these things. We will be drastic. We will get it done. How to do it.